So surgical guides work smarter, not harder, a kind of IKEA for veterinarians. Here you have that set of toys, here you have the manual, do the job. But we are approaching this subject as engineers, so we are not proposing ready-to-use solutions. It's rather a kind of cooperation between engineer and the surgeon. As an engineer, we proposed 2 or 3 solutions how the surgeon can approach the problem, but the surgeon is the person responsible for the patient. So it's more like cooperation than providing the solutions. So antebrachial deformities, lot of deformities, but also training models for very, very vast amount of orthopedic trainings from long bones up to school surgeries, dentistry surgeries. As for now, we have more than 400 models for the training in our database and growing. So if some company would like to manage the training of antebrachium deformity in dachshund, we can provide 20 of them in a quality, providing the same feeling as drilling and cutting in the bone. So tons of the bones and facility focusing mainly on bones manufacturing, like the wolf dentistry, as it was one of the models manufactured for the exotic hospital, focusing on the dentistry of the wolves. So material of the skull transparent, teeth as natural tissue. But implants, mainly we focus on implants. I would say 60% of our custom-made products, or even 80% of our custom-made products, are implants manufactured according to human medicine standards. So spine surgeries, arthrodesis, quite similar cases to those presented by Bill before, with a bit different approach, as besides 3D printing, we have also full possibility of CNC post-processing. So polishing, CNC post-processing, CNC machining. The 3D printing is just the step in the whole machining process.